What's going on, y'all? It's Turn Them Wheels. The holidays are coming around. Thanksgiving's this week. Christmas is coming up. So this is the new iPad, the iPad Pro. It is the 13-inch M4. So I wanted to show y'all this one. If you're looking to upgrade from a 6th generation or 5th or 4th generation from the 12.9 to a 13, I know it don't sound like a lot to go from that, the 0.1 of an inch. But it's running the M4 processor. The camera's better. It's faster. It has a better glass. All kind of stuff. I mean, there goes video, photo. Excuse my dog in the background. You have the App Store. All kind of different apps. There's Procreate, YouTube, TikTok, Max. Notability, which was one that I used in college. That's a real good one that you can use. Oh, and also this is the new Magic Keyboard for the 13-inch M4. It's a little different than the previous generations. You have a lock, volume up and down. Let's see, you have forward, play, backward, sleep. The microphone search, which pulls up the quick search, really cool. It'll pull up that one. All little hotkeys. This is very cool. The previous generation did not have this at all. As you see, so quick little hotkeys. Escape. Well, it's because it has all these little updates. It won't let me escape, but so you can escape out of that app, I believe. Okay, and you can go brightness up, brightness down. Very cool. Without even having to. So I've been not touching the screen is what I'm trying to say. I've been using the touchpad with this Magic Keyboard, and this keyboard was like $350, but I believe right now on Apple and Best Buy and some of the other websites, it's marked down. I think the keyboard is like $200 or $250, and then this iPad Pro, it went from like $13.99. I believe it's down to $10.99. So it's a really good price, and you can also upgrade your other one. That way you can go into that. Let's see. What else is new? Teams works fine. Speed test works fine. Clash of Clans is always fun. YouTube, that's what I always use because I'm a YouTuber, of course. I haven't tried the TikTok app. I'm not sure on that one. Video Cam, use that one. Sling TV, Xbox. The old school RuneScape. It's actually kind of fun sometimes. Trigger Fist. This is good for gaming. You can actually use an Xbox controller, and it's kind of like Call of Duty, similar, but it is free. Of course, the Word application, you can use that. Excel, PowerPoint, Adobe Fill and Sign, Apple support. CardPal is part of the TopDon. Reddit works really great. Quizlet, Xbox Game Pass, Keynote. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas is with the Netflix. You can use that. Freebie, like Amazon's free TV is pretty cool. TuneIn Radio, you can find like local radio or just radio stations. iHeartRadio, that one's cool. Brave browser, I've yet to use it. Final Cut Camera, I was checking this out in the Apple Store when I was taking a look at it. Duolingo can help you to learn different languages. Bowling Fury is fun. ChatGPT, it's the future. Beatmaker Pro. Angry Birds. So this iPad did come with Apple Arcade. 3-month subscription. I haven't tried it. I did download these games. Angry Birds, Worked, Kart Racers. It's got like guys from Family Guy. Asphalt 8, Balloons, TD. That one's always fun. But yeah, I mean, if you're looking to upgrade, guys, this one's awesome. The only thing I didn't like, which is not a part of the iPad, it's a part of just Apple in general. You're not able to transfer from one iPad to another. You have to do an iCloud backup, which kind of slowed me down a little bit, but it's not that bad. I kind of got used to it and got the iPad up and going. So, but I give this thing 2 thumbs up. I mean, if on a scale of 1 to 10, I would say it's a certified win. Apple News over here talking about Israel recommends Hezbollah ceasefire. A couple other stuff. You can plug in your location. You can sync your calendars with your work. You can change different widgets. I just have this one right here. So I'll set all these up in a link in the description. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Let me know if you want to see anything. Take care.